Okay, here we go. I think this was a viewer. Yeah, I think SpongeBob Gamer 45. I think they requested this one. So found it at Walmart. They didn't have it. Whoa. They didn't have it last time. They had it this time. So Mountain Lightning. This is some. Oh, I can't see it. Oh man, this looks interesting. Now we just got and Mountain Dew. Yep, I still like Mountain Dew, so that's good. Okay. This one is a lot more smooth, if that makes sense. Like, this one has a lot more, it's a lot stronger of a taste in this one. And this one's just sweeter, and it just doesn't taste as, like, strong. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's essentially my review of it. Do the do, Revive Revolution, all that stuff.